Hi everyone, meteorologist Taylor Knust here with your forecast. After a decent Monday and nice start to the work week, we are going to see some active weather heading our way on Tuesday. Winter weather advisories have been posted for much of western and northern Iowa starting at 6 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday, lasting through 6 p.m. This does not include Ames or Des Moines, but areas northwest of there could be looking at some tough travel conditions during the day on Tuesday. So let's walk through it here on Futurecast. We are dry for most of the night. We could see some drizzle, maybe some pockets of fog late tonight, early in the day on Tuesday, but temperatures should be above freezing still at that point. So we're not looking at icy conditions early in the day on Tuesday. But the snow around 8 o'clock in the morning will get going in far northwest Iowa. And then once we approach noontime, it should start to fill in farther to the south and east, closer to Fort Dodge and Carroll, maybe approaching Boone at that point. Still looking at just a rain threat through the lunch hour in Des Moines, but by early to mid-afternoon, we'll see colder air moving in, and that threat will transition to a chance at some snow. So it looks likely that we'll have some snow in Ames, likely going to get a little snow in Des Moines as well. So late afternoon into early evening will probably be Des Moines' best chance at a little bit of accumulating snow, which means that evening commute could get a little slick. On top of that, we are talking about some gusty winds that I'll show you here in a minute that could cause some additional issues. Here's our snowfall forecast. Less than an inch for Des Moines, Creston, and Ames. 1 to 3 from Mason City over to Fort Dodge and Carroll. Highest amounts probably around Spencer to Algona. Anywhere from 2 to 5 inches, a possibility in that part of the state. So snow certainly looks likely for the northwest half of Iowa. Could have some freezing drizzle in spots early in the day in northwest Iowa that could add that ice element, but wind will be felt for everyone from Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. Gusts in the 30 to 40 mile per hour range are going to be possible, and that potentially will be occurring while the snow is falling. So you combine those two, we're talking lowered visibility. That's just another factor to consider if you're traveling. Even when the snow is gone on Tuesday night into Wednesday, still remaining fairly gusty, and it's going to be awfully cold out there as a result. So wind chills will be pretty rough by tomorrow night. Actual highs on Tuesday will vary from 58 in Ottumwa to just 34 in Fort Dodge and Carroll, and that's all based on the timing of the front moving through. It's not going to feel too bad in Des Moines early in the day, but once you get to the afternoon, those wind chills plummet in a hurry, feeling like 16 by 5 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon. Those numbers will drop to the single digits and maybe even below zero in northern Iowa late on Tuesday night into early Wednesday. And even during the day Wednesday, it's going to feel quite cold out there for the middle of this week. We will have sunshine on Wednesday, and the snow will be gone at that point. Should stay dry on Thursday as well. Quick rebound to 54 degrees on Friday. There is going to be another front moving through Friday night that could bring snow to parts of Iowa, light snow on Friday night. We'll cool back down for the weekend with 30s on Saturday, and then another chance at a rain snow mix coming our way early next week from next Sunday through next Monday and then Tuesday morning.